Okay guys, so the video stopped. Maybe that was like a thing. So, yeah, here's part 2. I didn't know there was going to be a part 2, but part 2. We only have 11 minutes, so we have to find these very quickly because we only have 11 minutes before my iPad dies. I don't see any in there. We gotta hurry up and find this fidget. Okay. We gotta run. Don't see any over here. We gotta hurry. What? You laughed. It means I went past one. Oh, I went right past it. Yeah! I didn't go that far. Yeah! Gotta go get that. We can't spend our 11 minutes doing this.
Here, okay.
Okay, looking over here. Looking in there. Ow! Looking in there. I know, I'm just going to this one thing. Where'd I find all that? Nothing in there. There's still so many left. I don't know where they would be. Give me a hint.
Honey, it's okay. It won't run out in 11 minutes. I don't know what happened to the last one. Maybe you just won't do it. So you just take your time and look. How many do you have so far? 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, found one under the drain.
There's 3.
Okay, found the dinosaur. Oh, I found the dimple. Oh my god, what happened? They're behind here. Got it. Okay. How many do we have left?
2.
No, we don't.
Yeah. Right? Because we have 4. Because you have the ice cream one. Where I don't know where you put it.
Then we have...
And then with these, 1, 2, 3, ice cream. That's 4, so there's 6. So there's 2 left.
Oh. I feel like I saw something pink.
What?
I feel like I saw something pink.
You did for something pink.
What? I did.
That's
Well,
what
where
you're
did-
looking for, is a pink unicorn.
But where did I see it? What?
You totally saw the pink. You did.
But where did I see it? 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 I saw pink. But I don't remember.
Look right at it.
But I don't remember where I saw the pink. What? What is it around me? My ice cream one's right there. Where is it?
But that one, you have the light teal one.
Is it on the playground? It's on the playground.